Hey there, welcome to VCode's 100 Days of Coding Challenge. Today's day 8 and let's see the question number 1. The question is develop a Java program to showcase abstraction and abstract classes. Create an animal abstract class with abstract methods and concrete subclasses to demonstrate abstraction. So today's question is going to deal with the concept of abstraction. Description is given, construct an abstract class called animal with abstract methods like eat and make sound. Implement concrete subclasses such as dog, cat, and bird, which inherits from the animal, to provide specific implementation for abstract methods. There is no particular input format. The output must be, we need to invoke methods like eat and make sound for objects of these three classes to display the specific behaviors and emphasizing abstraction. And the test cases are given. We need to instantiate the objects of these three classes and call the eat and make sound method for each of the objects, showcasing the attributes, showcasing abstraction, and also we need to implement different functionalities for eat and make sound in subclasses, demonstrating the concept of abstraction, providing unique behaviors, display how invoking methods on objects of subclasses adheres to abstraction provided by the abstract class. So what is abstraction? Abstraction is a concept in Java where we actually hide the details, hide the internal implementation of how something is happening from the user. So if we say, if we have a method like I want to send a message, so I will take an input and I'll send the message, but the user actually doesn't know how that message is going to the end user. So this is just hiding of how the things work internally. So this is the concept. So there are two methods in how we can make a class abstract. So we can use abstract keyword. Also abstraction can be obtained by using interfaces. So in this in today's topic we are going to use abstract classes. So let me create a Java file. As this is about the animals, I'm going to create animals.java. Animals.java. So public class animals and public style void main. So now it's time for us to create an animal class. So class animal. So what all attributes does this animal class have? So first of all, first step is to make this class animal class as abstract. Why? Because it has some abstract methods. So one point to be remembered is whenever a class has abstract methods, then that class must be abstract also. So here let me first create two methods, eat and make sound, which are abstract. So we'll just put the keyword abstract and then eat. So this is how we declare the abstract method, but there won't be any implementation here, so we can remove these braces. So here there will be no implementation. For abstract methods we won't write any. So you can see there is a red mark. So abstract method eat in type animal can be only defined by an abstract class. So here this must be an abstract class too. And then we have abstract make sound. So animal have these two properties of making. Okay, so also I forgot to write the return type. So void and even void. That's it. So this animal can eat and make sound, but we don't know how exactly it will eat or make sound. So that's why we had made it abstract. So now I will create two subclasses. Actually we have three. One is dog, cat, and other one is bird. So class dog, and then the other class is cat, and the other class we have is bird, and all these three classes will extend the animal class. So extends animal, and even this one extends animal. So now we can write the implementation of the methods which these three classes are inheriting. So we can see here these inherit from the animal. Okay, so let me write the method which is eat. So void eat. So I'll write a print statement, dog eats. And then I'll copy the same message, the same method, and write cat eats. And again the same method, and I'll write here bird eats. That's it. So the type dog must implement the inherited method. Oh, okay. So here, as this is extending the animal class and it is extending an abstract class, so we need to write here the methods to write the implementation of them. So make sound. So you can see the error is gone now. Now I'll copy the same. Okay, let me write the print statement, which is dog makes sound, and I'll copy this now and write the same for cat and bird with a slight change, which is cat makes sound. So what sound does cat makes? So let us write that. So it makes meow, and dog will bark. Okay, and a bird chirps. Okay, so I have written three subclasses, which are child classes of the class animal. Animal is an abstract class, and these three will be having implementations of the methods of the parent class. Okay, so now it's time for us to instantiate the objects for the three classes. So first of all, how do we actually instantiate an object for a certain class? First of all, we will write the reference class of which, so the class of which we are creating instance of. So I will create a instance of animal class itself and the object name. So first of all, I'll create a dog. So I'll write dog equals. So this is the name of the object or variable, equals new. So this new will allocate some memory. And now you can see I have got everything. So here I can write animal, bird, cat or dog, because we are actually creating a reference variable out of we are referring to the animal class, which is the parent class. So we can either create a reference variable of animal or the class which is a child of animal. So these three are children of animal, right? So we can even write dog, cat or bird. So I can write here dog because I want actually this object type to be of a dog. So it will have only the properties of dog. And now I'll create another animal, which is a cat, which is of type cat. So here the constructor called would be of dog. Now I have another animal, which is a bird, equals new bird. So here we have created three objects, so three animals which are of type dog, cat and bird. And now I'm going to call the methods dog dot. So what will be the dog doing? Dog dot eat and dog dot make sound. And now I'll call for the cat, cat dot eat and cat dot make sound. And then bird dot eat and bird dot make sound. So now we can run and check what is happening here. So I'll get six print statements. I've compiled the file and now run it. You can see dog eats and what sound does dog make, and then cat eats and the sound of the cat, bird eats and sound of the bird. We have printed everything. So here I have used the dog variable, which is referring to which is of the type dog. So here the constructor of dog is called. So this dog will be having all the properties of the class dog, and the methods called are eat and make sound. In this way we had performed the abstraction using the abstract keyword. So that's it for this video. Do follow the 100 days of coding challenge by VIT-AP. Thank you for watching.